Okay, kid, how are you today? I just want to tell you something. Drawing is easy. Yeah, with Mr. Mulyadi, we can do the drawing so easy. I prepared the drawing book and some part outdoor like crayon here. Okay, what I gonna draw today? I gonna draw the big tree. Let's see. Okay, actually that is the tree is so beautiful. I gonna make this for my drawing. Okay, this is my last drawing. Okay, now I gonna do directly and you can follow if you like. And what again I gonna take natural color like blue here. Yeah, just like this, just two lines. I just want to make it easy, it's not complicated. Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough. I want to color. You can use this. Okay, let's look. To make it more gradation, I gonna divide some part like this. Yeah. Okay, I make sure you do carefully. Yeah, be patient to do. What you gonna do after this? Look, I want to color the down part with dark. Oh yeah, you can cover the sketch area. Yeah, look, you can do directly also there. Here. Oh, I see my camera is. Yeah. Okay, kid, I hope you like my drawing and my channel for education. And I hope you can like, subscribe, and share. Okay? And this is the outdoor drawing. I come here for you. So I can draw something and I share for you and you can follow. Okay? This. Okay, now this one to mix it with this light green. You can color round it like this. Okay. Okay. Actually I want to ask you some favor. Please give me idea. What can I draw after this? Maybe I can draw outdoor here. So, but give me idea what can I draw? Yeah. So I can draw for you. Yeah, keep doing like this. Don't forget to mix to blend, yeah, between the dark, light and dark. It's like this. It's light green and going to the dark green, so it's gonna be mixed. Okay, then now I want to color the trunk. The trunk, you look at the texture, but don't worry if your drawing is not really same. Don't worry because of what? The nature is actually some free. If not similar, it's okay. Yeah, like this. This is dark, and then I gonna mix with the light one. See, keep. Follow the texture direction. Look. Okay, now I want to. This is almost done. Okay, you can put it more branch is going. Yeah, like this, and a bit shadow. Yeah, this is done now. I want to add a bit, and time to draw the ground. Okay, you can combine with this. If necessary, you can make it full. Okay. Okay, I think this is already done. If you want to add some blue for the sky area a bit, you can do. Yeah. Okay, I think that is finished. I'm gonna complete it. Okay, kid, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.